Let's take another look at this coordinate plane. Now, we know that the origin is the point that is 0, 0. So let's put an arrow pointing to our origin. The point is 0, 0. It's where everything starts, where we measure everything from. So we have our origin point right here. And I know that I'm going to determine the coordinate of a point by using something called a coordinate pair, which is always seen as x, y. Now, what does that mean? That means we have to look at our x-axis and our y-axis in order to determine the location of a point on those individual plots. So let's take, for instance, I want to figure out the coordinate pair for this rhombus. I'm going to first look at my x-axis. I'm going to figure out how far to the left, or not the left, I apologize, how far to the right did I move? I went all the way over to this point right here, point 4, coordinate 4. I then have to figure out how far from the ground did I go, or how far on my y-axis up did I move. If I draw my lines, I can see that I went up to point 3 on my y-axis. So I can determine the point of a shape on a coordinate plane by counting how far over from my origin something is and how far up from my origin it is. So how far to the right on my x-axis and how far up on my y-axis is that object. In this case, my rhombus is 4 units to the right on the x-axis and 3 units up on the y-axis. So its coordinate pair is 4, 3. Let's try another one.